Once we find this niche where we have those angry buyers, we have to target this niche with the right keyword. And by the right keyword, I mean keywords with less competition.
You're strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about Mesh by Amazon niches. Because this video is gonna be long, I'll do it in multiple parts. So if you want to see the other parts, please like, comment and subscribe so that you will be notified as soon as I release a new video. Let's get right into it. So let's start by having a definition of what is a niche. A niche is a particular group of people that have in common or love a passion, a hobby. If you go to Google and type list of hobbies, Wikipedia, you will find this list of hobbies. Again, they have a common, certainly a sport. If you go to Google again and type in list of sport, Wikipedia, you will have this list of sports. They can also have in common the love of an animal. Always on Google, if you type in list of animal, you will find this website, all animal names A to Z. I reviewed the list. I don't know what is the hard work, but people have in common this kind of animal. And they can also have an activity, job, profession, etc. in common. Again, if you go to Google and type in list of occupation, Wikipedia, you will find this website very useful. If I click on the first one, for example, list of artistic occupation, you can see accessory designer, animator, architect, artisan, baker, etc. Our job as a marketer, as a t-shirt marketer or t-shirt seller is then to target these people. Okay, we have to target these people and propose them quality design that are eye-catching. What do I mean by quality design? The design that we are going to propose to our customer must be very beautiful, very good design. Design that we ourselves should be proud to wear if we were in a specific niche. For example, if I was a dog person, certainly I would love to wear this t-shirt because, for example, I have two schnauzers, a kind of dog, a breed of dog. And I'm saying quality design because we are just proposing design to Amazon. We are not responsible of the quality of the material. I have a few t-shirts that returned because they were complaining about the quality of the material, but not the design. So when it's the material, I'm okay, even if it's always hard to have a return. On top of the quality design, the design must be as well eye-catching. Eye-catching because when the customer go to Amazon, tapped the keyword. In this example here, I type funny dog t-shirt for men. How the customer are going to decide which one to buy? This one, this one, this one, or which design? The design that we are going to propose must stand out. It must be eye-catching. When the customer will look at the design, you're gonna say, yes, this is me. Yes, for example, I like this color. If I'm on this page and if, let's say, for example, I have a red t-shirt here, automatically I will look at this red t-shirt to see what is the message on there, what is the design in there, and if I like the color red as well as the text or the graphic, I will buy it. So our design must stand out. But before even designing, we have to make sure that the niche that we're gonna select is a niche where we have angry buyers. And by angry buyers, I mean passionate people that are ready to buy t-shirts related to their passion, activity, or jobs. They must be passionate enough. For example, I may like golf, but I'm not sure I will wear a golf t-shirt. Okay, so we are looking for people that are ready to buy t-shirt for the passion, activity, jobs, and so on. And there are a lot of niches like that where people are ready to buy t-shirt for their passion. Once we find this niche where we have those angry buyers, we have to target this niche with the right keyword. And by the right keyword, I mean keywords with less competition. Because we are not alone in the marketplace. There are a lot of sellers like you and me. So we have to target the keyword with less competition. Sometimes we call them long tail keywords. The long tail keywords that we're gonna choose must answer these three important questions that I already mentioned in the other videos. If you didn't get a chance to look at them, please go back and watch the three first videos that I created. The first question is, who is this design for? The second question, why are they going to wear it? And the last question is, how they're gonna find it. Now, the easiest way to find those niches is to go to the website merchresearch.com. But before that, you have to install the Chrome extension Productor or the DS Amazon Quick View. These both extensions are doing the same thing, but I use myself the Chrome extension Productor, and I'm going to show you why. So if you go to merchresearch.com, you will land on the well-known website Merch Informer. Once you're on Merch Research, you select the marketplace you want to do the research on. You select the product type. I usually leave it as US and t-shirt. And then in terms of keywords, I leave it empty and I click on search. When you land on Amazon, just make sure that the deliver to here is a US address. I selected the zip code 10011, which is a New York zip code, but you can select the one you prefer. What this will do is to show us, according to Amazon, the bestseller t-shirt as of right now. The t-shirt that, according to Amazon, are the best to convert right now. And you can see that the BSR that we have here are very low. Okay. The Chrome extension I was referring to, Productor, is the one giving these numbers: 881, 59 to 89. These are basically what Amazon is calling the bestseller rank. The lower the number, the more sale this t-shirt is doing. For example, the Let's Go Brandon is doing very well right now. Now that you are on this page, you have to look for those niches where you have angry buyers. And as I was saying, the BSR is low, so these are t-shirts that are selling a lot. We want to avoid Let's Go Brandon, this one, and Disney. But I noticed that this ramen cat kawaii animated Japanese t-shirt looks like it is selling. So what I'll do, I will copy it like that. And paste it. I can remove this one. Oops, sorry. And paste it that way. Then I go back to Amazon. I look again. MTV, we don't want to go in there. My perfect day. video game t-shirt. I copy that. I go back to my list. I paste it. I continue. Let's go down. No. I teach video superhero. No, because kind of infringing. Here on my sun side, I can see here cat and sunflower. So I copy that. I paste it here again. What I'm trying to do here is not to copy those designs. I'm more interested in the cat and the sunflower. Okay. In this design, I'm interested in the gaming niche. Okay. And in the first one, I'm interested in ramen niche, in cat niche, in kawaii, in anime Japanese tea niche. These are the niche that I want to get into, because I can see that I have buyers in there. The competition is very high for sure, but I'm gonna show you in the next video how we can get into those niches with low competition keywords, and I'll do it in the next video. So please like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. Thank you and have a nice day.
Be strong.